I would like to tell you about the great 20th century's invention mobile phones. Nowadays, most people have mobile phones and they have them almost all the time, but are they really so useful for us? Of course, there are some cons and pros of using them. Uh, for example, if you have a phone, you can contact with your friends, family, employer, and it's really, really important. But there are also a lot of other ways to use mobile phones properly. For example, if you have the internet on your phone, you can get needed information by using that. And if you're a driver, you know the way by using GPS. You can also send an email to every person you want, and it really doesn't matter where he or she lives in Africa, Asia, Australia, America, Europe. Yeah, your mobile phone can also be a kind of entertainment because you can have music on it, or videos, or games. And if you have good quality camera, you can record films and or just take photos to share them with your friends. Also, you can have the set of books on your mobile phone. So if you are in tram or in bus school, don't waste this opportunity because later at home you will have more time for doing what you like. Um, yeah, games and this kind of stuff can be really fascinating and funny, but uh, there are also a lot of ways to learn something from our phones. And for example, foreign languages, there are plenty of applications to learn foreign languages for phone. And these applications are testing our vocabulary, grammar, or just knowledge by showing us what we know and what we don't know. The second way to learn foreign languages with help of our phones is simply talking with our friends from other countries in their mother tongue, of course, and it really, really helps in learning. Um, oh, that was the good side of using a mobile phone because there are some disadvantages of using them too. At first, uh, if you spend too much time on your phone, you can get isolated from people and their problems, which is very, very uncomfortable for them. Also, one day you can realize that talking eye to eye is much, much harder than talking by phone or just texting. Second thing is that mobile phones are really drugs, and um, people are getting so quickly addicted to them. Um, and a lot of people are still on their phones and they just can't put them down. And and it's really sad because they can't enjoy their lives. Mm, and I don't know, simple things like walking in the park, listening to birds singing, and things like that because they are still on their phones. And it's frightening because in every Polish school, students in middle school, high school, primary school, students have phones and they are all the time texting. And students can also text to friend who is standing just 1 meter away, and it's really frightening. Okay, the third thing what is bad about phones is that drivers can can use them during the driving, and it can be very dangerous for them and other people because they are they are just listening to music, taking the photos, talking, texting during driving, and they just do not watch road. and that can cause accident. Okay. All in all, mobile phones is really good invention of 20th centuries, but be careful using them. While using mobile phones, you need to be careful, sensible, responsible, and you just need to think what you are doing. So don't let mobile phones rule your life.